Welcome back. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, and you know, crypto. Guys, welcome back. Crypto's crashing, and the big question in everybody's mind today is should I buy or should I sell? Right? I've got a video that I've already recorded for you for later tonight where I'll talk more about the Cronos ecosystem, crypto.com. But in general, there's a theme here going on in the crypto space right now. And it's one of fear. A lot of fear. Osiris in the chat. Good to see Osiris. Welcome back. Welcome back, OG Jerry. Good to see you guys. So today we have a lot of folks that are fearful. And there's a word that is the theme of the day, and it's capitulation. We are at a point in time where people that just recently were very bullish on crypto are likely capitulating. Now, what does that mean? That means that people that were recently very bullish on Bitcoin and crypto are getting scared out of the market and selling while things are low, panicking, thinking that this is over before this massive bull market begins. And so to the question on my thumbnail, buy or sell, well, sell if you want to miss the bull market, the true bull market, the parabolic explosion that you've all been waiting for. Sell if you want to take some of your profit, understandably so, and leave. But sell if you want to miss the amazing opportunity for the true altcoin explosion. And buy if you understand what's going on and you believe what is yet to come. Now, I do not give financial advice. I am a guy on the internet with a pretty cool studio that I spent a lot of time and effort into. I love it. We got 3,000 videos we've done on this channel. I've got crypto. Obviously, I talk every day about crypto, but at the end of the day, I can't actually tell you whether to buy or sell. Just because I have a neon sign and a globe with a light behind it doesn't mean that I can tell you what to do. But I can tell you what I see happening. And that's what me and my partner can continue to do for you guys day in, day out. And we're going to continue to do that. So buy or sell, well, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm buying. I'm buying in general every month, every paycheck, every chance I get because of some of the stories that I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to go through some of the breaking crypto news, talk about what's going on in the space, news stories happening, look at some discounts, what's the top moving coins today, what's the top losers, what's my mindset. Welcome back, Luke. Good to see you. OG Jerry says, why sell at a loss? People come on. And unfortunately, there are some people selling at a loss. And look, if you're in a very risky position, I can understand protecting your wealth. Look, there's some meme coins that I made a bunch of money on, and there's some meme coins that started to turn the other way. And I sold at a loss to protect myself from more downside in an effort to maybe buy back in when these things go lower, which I could do at this point in time. However, I'm kind of sitting on the sidelines for some of the meme plays to see what happens next. And I'm more focused on some of the big caps that are down right now. And so my new money right now would be going into more utility-focused plays like stacks, like things that I know 100%, and 100% is not ever a thing in crypto, right? But I know in my mind, I have strong conviction like stacks. Maybe it's Cronos for you. Maybe it's Ethereum or Bitcoin. Maybe it's Solana all the way every day. Maybe it's a mixture of all those. Maybe it's Avalanche. Maybe it's Toncoin. Maybe it's Ondo because you're so bullish on the BlackRock partnership with RWA, real world assets. Maybe it's some of those. But these are the times where the people that make it in crypto bull markets have maybe taken some profit on some of the risky plays, but they understand that the best is kind of yet to come, right? We'll get into some of this. So welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Right now, we've got 12 viewers on X and 15 viewers on YouTube. Views are down. Spirits are down. Bags are down. My portfolio is down from its highs. That's to be expected in a capitulation moment like we're seeing in these markets. So let's get into it. Luke Gotts Beard says, never sell all. If you had $100 Shiba Inu in the beginning, on month 4, you had 750K. If you had 25 million in month 5, sold 80%, month 4, your 20% would have been 3 million in month 5. That's a lot to follow, but I hear what you're saying, Luke. Yes. Johnny says his portfolio is bleeding hard. Mine too, brother. Mine too. But from the bottom of the bear market, still way up. Way up. Bought a car, bought 2 cars, just bought a new car. Actually replaced one of the ones I paid off just because I had some issues with the other car. So now I got a Honda Civic. I like it. I like it a lot. Got a RAV4 and a Honda Civic. Toyota, Honda, good brand. Took some profit. Anyway, my portfolio is way up from where it was in the bear market, and I'm sure that some of you guys that have been following us are in the same way, right? You're down from the peaks, but you're still up if you were buying at the bottom. Luke Ben says, when Lambo? I am not a Lambo guy. I probably won't get a Lambo unless I get over like, $50 million, which maybe I would. Mr. Planet Profit, what's up? Good to see you. Welcome back. Welcome back. Osiris says, I haven't sold anything, but I'm still in profit from the bear market. Yeah, and maybe you sold some and shuffled it into other bags. Maybe you didn't sell any cash. Did you ever sell any token, or have you only bought tokens and just held all those tokens? I'm very curious. Anyway, welcome back. Legacy Legend says, Kip, buy a Rolex. Daytona. We'll see. We'll see. All right, guys, smash a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's take a peek today. So if you see these markets, there's a lot of red out there. So Bitcoin, $66,500. And I am a believer that these are good levels to trade at. A reminder to those of you guys that might have seen it. Maybe you didn't, maybe you did. We do have a sign up link in our description on our YouTube channel for every video right now. Blowfin is kind of the one we're talking about the most, as they have a $30 sign up bonus that actually goes away at the end of the day. I think we've got over 100 signups so far, people taking advantage of this. You can deposit a little bit of money into this exchange and get it free $30 in the futures account, which you could trade it. Hey, $300 at 10x leverage, $3,000 at 100x leverage, though I don't recommend anybody uses 100x leverage, but hey, free money to maybe trade around with. But, I am trying to get the best deal when I do buy crypto. And these are good times to accumulate, in my personal opinion. Seeing these coins down 30, 25%. A lot of these big tokens are on Blowfin, which is just a cheap exchange to use. Very easy to sign up for. I've been buying a lot of tokens on crypto.com, but I think that is pretty tough sometimes, right? The fees are pretty high on that app. I love the app. I think it's easy to use, but the exchange not being in the US yet, kind of stinky. Same thing with Coinbase, fees are kind of high. Blowfin seems to be a little bit cheaper. I like it. So we're talking quite a bit about it if you want to take advantage of that. But in general, I believe this is a time to buy the dip. I believe this is a good time for trading. And there's a lot of great coins that are on discount. Floki is a very popular meme coin on a big discount. Obviously, a coin I love a lot, Stacks, is down 20% at $1.76. A Stacks token below $2 is huge. Johnny 1987S, is the bull market over? Johnny, the bull market has barely even begun. It's been going on for a while, but the real part of a bull market, in my opinion, is that parabolic blow off top moment, which we just haven't yet seen, guys. I want to go back over here and show you guys, this is the overall market cap, right? This is the overall market cap for crypto that you're looking at right here. And if you take a peek at this, guys, you're going to see that our previous high was back in November of 2021. That was a long time ago. And what I'm looking forward to is this big, beautiful moment right here, where we are going to hopefully and logically, in my opinion, see Bitcoin and crypto overall, the whole market cap, break past its previous all-time highs. These are tough times. Right now, Cronos coin is at its all-time low versus Bitcoin. And there's many others. Ethereum is going down versus Bitcoin right now. The meme coins are selling off. There's a lot of blood in the streets, guys. But this is all part of this bull cycle. This is always how it goes. There's always one big fearful moment in these markets. And unfortunately, it's happening right now. If you look at what's going on the stock to flow model, we've always kind of followed these trends. And right now we're at that very moment where we should be kind of creeping up to this parabolic blow off top, but we haven't seen that happen yet. We've barely even broken through the previous highs. And crypto has never seen a bull market cycle where we haven't blown past the previous highs. And the fact that we see so many stories out there like BlackRock and Fidelity now owning a combined 477,000 Bitcoin. There's only 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist. Some of those Bitcoin are already lost forever. So when you ask me, Johnny, is the bull market over? This question right here, the answer is no, it shouldn't be. And if it is, then everybody's wrong and crypto's changed and maybe these huge institutions ruined it. But I find that very difficult to believe because it's just simple economics. You see a supply for something and you see a demand for something. And if the demand outweighs the supply, then price go up. And we're seeing that in a real way with Bitcoin. Previously, MicroStrategy was the whale in the room. These ETFs now hold 262,000 more Bitcoin than MicroStrategy, and they did it in 6 months. I don't see how people could even possibly begin to believe that this bull market is over. It's just beginning. The SEC head of crypto asset and cyber unit just departed after 9 years. Bitcoin came out a little over a decade ago. It finally got him. This is a sign of capitulation. He gives up because crypto and the SEC, that's been a struggle. It seems to be a miracle that these Bitcoin ETFs got approved and these Ethereum ETFs got approved by the SEC, considering how anti-crypto Gary Gensler has truly been. But we're seeing a shift and the agency is going to change. We're going to see some more crypto people come along. We see these presidential candidates getting more pro-crypto. South Korean crypto exchanges delisting hundreds of altcoins. This is so bearish. No. It might be bad for some of those altcoins, but the truth is, guys, is they are trying. They're setting up their policing of the sector. They're trying to do more with crypto and they're trying to regulate. They're trying to keep it safe. So this sounds bad, but it's actually because they're expanding the to offer more crypto, to talk about crypto more, to allow people to have crypto more, but they're policing it a little bit more than you might like to see. But all things are headed in the right direction, my friends. Larry Fink, the man that is behind the beginning of this avalanche of money flowing into crypto, used to say that crypto was fraud, it was a scam, it was this, that, the other thing, it was bad, agreeing with Warren Buffett. It's valuable as a pet rock, it's rat poison. I wouldn't buy all the Bitcoin in the world for $100. You know that story. This guy used to be on that page. He is now one of the biggest holders, and his institution is one of the biggest holders of crypto ever. But yes, things are looking scary now in the month of June as we've flipped red. May was bullish. People were looking forward to June. But I want to remind you guys this. There is a truth that you need to understand, that summers, especially in the last couple of years, are pretty scary for crypto. There's a lot of red in the summers. There's a lot more green in the bull market years in January, February, March, and October, November, December. September can be a little wishy-washy sometimes as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if this bull market didn't really kick off to new highs until October. So in the meantime, what are we going to do here in June, July, August, September? Well, June's almost over. We're halfway through. Then we got July, another FOMC meeting, which is going to be very hawkish, most likely. We've got August, September. I think there's another Fed meeting in September, October, November, I think. There might be a Fed pivot in one of these months. When that Fed pivot comes, that's probably going to be a catalyst for that next leg up. Maybe in July, we get a big boost when the Ethereum ETFs are officially approved, because that is the news on the street. There is rumors that the Ethereum spot ETFs are going to start trading July 2nd. because the SEC approved them recently, which might be surprising, but it happened. And now Bloomberg analysts believe that this thing is going to go live. That could be a catalyst. That could change the narrative for this monthly, month over month. These are each year for crypto, the months, the percentage gains for Bitcoin in those months. June's red right now. June might turn out to be red. July could flip green if the Ethereum ETF is approved, though the FOMC meeting might kill all momentum again. Or maybe it's all priced in. I don't know. I can't possibly predict the future. But I think these are times to buy. And again, a great exchange. I like it a lot. I've been dabbling with a little bit more. Blowfin, $30 sign-up bonus. Check it out, guys. If you haven't done so already, you can leverage trade on there, do all that fun stuff. Please be careful, though. These are the times where trading's cool, as Bitcoin's trading in a range. And just at the very least, accumulation is my strategy at this point in time. Let me know what your strategy is in the comments down below. As for the history, yes, we are looking maybe for a $200,000, $300,000 Bitcoin. At the very least, I expect 100K to come. I think that's shoot in at this point, given all the news that we see. In the meantime, more liquidations, billions of dollars could be coming to the lower half of 64,000, maybe even all the way down to, yes, 60,000. I don't even want to do it, but let's check it out. What happens if we go out to the year time frame and zoom out even more? There are big liquidations at 34,000. Do we get there? I really, really hope not. But look at this. 8 billion. This is 12 billion, $23 billion. Could you imagine if $23 billion worth of leverage was wiped out there? That would be crazy. I don't expect that to happen. I don't expect us to go that low at all. But could you just imagine? We gotta look at those numbers to just imagine for a bit. But even at 50,000, there's billions waiting to be squeezed. We've been focusing on some of the short squeezes because we want that bullishness to happen. And there's billions up here as well. So, it could be these billions that get wiped out. I hope it's these guys that get wiped out. I hope it's not the bulls that are waiting for this explosion, because it just makes sense with the supply shock we got. T-Mobile's parent company announced plans to mine Bitcoin. What if Apple was mining Bitcoin? What if Microsoft started mining Bitcoin? We see things headed in the right direction. Chris Marszak, the CEO of crypto.com, believes that this Ethereum ETF going live is going to be the trigger. That's July. So he thinks it's coming soon. I think there's huge opportunities in crypto-related stocks like Bitcoin miners, Bitcoin mining stocks. They just reached record market cap of $22.8 billion. I think those are going to get a lot higher. JP Morgan's talking about this. I don't like JP Morgan, though I use Chase as a bank. I would rather bank with Bitcoin and crypto. I'm just not there yet. Though my whole net worth is essentially in this house and then in crypto as well. And I feel good about that. As some people are scared today, I'm calm as a cucumber, my friends. I'm calm as a cucumber. There's a lot of building going on. There's a lot of exciting things happening in crypto. If you've been paying attention, then you do understand that. Legacy Legendman, he is stacking ADA and Crow. OG Jerry says, we're going to make it. Be patient. APTV says, buy. Crypto Keeper says, buy. Everybody wants to buy. Could we have more downside? We could, but then what do? We could buy these discounts, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm hopeful. Okay, let's do a little Q&A. I don't really have a ton of news for you guys today. I want to look at some of the liquidations. Check out some of the links down below if you haven't done so already, but let's look at what's going on. Crowcoin. Very scary versus Bitcoin at its all-time low, but it is just a sign of the times, my friends. Bitcoin has been stuck in this range for a very, very long time. Let's look at the daily candles real quick for Bitcoin and see exactly what's going on. So Bitcoin wicked above its previous high right on the day, and since that day, it has been 104 days. 104 days we've been stuck just at the same level. That is a long time, my friends. That is a long time. And so when I talk about capitulation at the beginning of this video, what does that mean? It means that people are losing their patience and saying over the last 104 days, this market withered people down, scared people. A lot of people probably got liquidated in these ranges because unfortunately there's a lot of bad traders. There's good traders. Most people lose when they're trading. So if you are going to trade, use a little leverage, maybe just swing trade, maybe use 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x. and above, that's for experienced traders. You can make good money, but you can also lose a lot of money very quickly. So please be careful with that. But there's no doubt that I think that this is a good range to be trading in right now. As there's fear, I know there's excitement too. So that's kind of what keeps us. People are waiting for that bull market, which keeps us up here. But there's also people thinking that maybe the top is in, which kind of keeps us trading and bouncing around. The bears and the bulls are fighting. Eventually, I think that ends, and I think we get this awesome blow off top explosion that we've been waiting for, and overall crypto market would hopefully then flip, above 3 trillion, go up to 4 trillion, 5 trillion. We'll see how it plays out. APTV says 2 words, Ethereum ETF. I agree. I think that could be coming. I think, it's going to come. And then I think it's going to be huge. I think that could be the thing to drive us to the next level. Okay, let's do a little bit of Q&A, my friends. How are you feeling today? Let's hang out. Let's chat a little bit. Smash the like, by the way, if you haven't done so already. And John316, the legend, says blessings to Mrs. Crypto Kip, Black C, and the Crypto Report community. Blessings to all you guys indeed. Shout out to you, John316. You've been with us for a long time, my brother. I appreciate you. I love you. Thanks for your blessings, man. And yes, don't forget to smash the like button or heart the thing on Twitter. Like it on Twitter. Like it on YouTube. Yeah, check it out. Very interested to see. By the way, for those of you guys watching us on Twitter, are you guys the same people that would have been watching us on YouTube? I'm very curious. I'm very curious. If you're watching on Twitter, do me a favor, throw a comment and let me know if you watch us on YouTube as well and you're just watching us on Twitter for convenience. I'm very curious. I'm very curious about that. Let me know. Legacy Legendsman says, Kip, what would your first meal be when you cash out? It would be a big, fat, juicy steak, probably. I love steak. I'd probably get a giant, maybe big old tomahawk steak or I don't know, a big steak and a wedge salad from a steakhouse. My wife made me my favorite meal last night. She made me some sesame chicken, homemade sesame chicken, delicious. Shout out to Mrs. Crypto Kip. Gem in the Eye of Tara says, we fell together last run. We did, and we will climb together this run, my friends. Hopefully. Great question, Legacy Legendsman. What would your first meal be? I'm very curious. What other questions you guys got today? How we doing, fam? How we doing? Smash the like if you're just joining us. Check out the links down below. Again, I think this is a great time to be trading. So I might even open up some trades here soon. I might start opening up some trades on streams. I don't know. Should I? Let me know. But if I do it, I'm only going to do it with like $2,000 or something like that. I am personally not the best trader. I got a little too much degen in me. So I know that. You got to know yourselves, my friends. You got to know yourselves. John316 says, Kip, thoughts on H-bar? Well, I got an H-bar chart pulled up. I got a lot of friends that are very bullish on it, but right now it's struggling, as is everything else. Altcoins are getting wrecked right now. I think it's an opportunity to DCA and buy in. Ooh, Legacy Legendsman, what a great choice. He says Korean barbecue. Man, I love Korean barbecue. That is one of my favorite meals. That's my birthday meal most times. There's a great place by me. I like a lot in the city. I really like it a lot. What other questions you guys got out there? Thoughts on H-bar? Yeah, I mean, I like H-bar. It's down right now. I think that this token is probably going to soar. I know there's a big community behind this. A lot of people love it. A lot of folks that I know that like crypto talk about H-bar, and that's always very interesting to me. John316 says jerk chicken. That sounds good too. I got to figure out what to eat tonight. I don't know what to eat tonight. I got to figure that out. Let's see what else is going on here. Ethereum coming down as well. What's going on with Ethereum? Let me zoom out a little bit. Check out the Ethereum chart. Right now is a tough time in the market, guys. It's very tough. You wake up, your portfolio ain't doing what you want it to do. So what do? You go to work. You work hard. You touch grass. Go for a run. Go play golf. Go spend some time with your wife, your kids, your family, your friends. Get outside. Enjoy some sunshine. Servando Strata, buy some stacks. I love it. I think that's buying a good discount. Johnny 1987 says, when do you think the gaming tokens will skyrocket? Well, Johnny, it's all the same story, my brother. It's all based on this overall market cap. That's just how it is. Gaming tokens, if they're going to come back, are going to come back along with the overall market cap. Gaming coins are getting wrecked just like meme coins, just like L1s, just like L2s, just like anything out there that you might be buying right now. So gaming tokens will come back when Bitcoin breaks out. That's just as simple as it is. Crypto is actually really easy. If Bitcoin goes up, altcoins can go up. If Bitcoin stalls out, altcoins crash. They either pump, if it's a new pump, say Bitcoin just pumped. Let's say Bitcoin just pumped and went, well, just think what happened. When Bitcoin went from here to here, right, from 42,000 all the way to 73,000, altcoins were pumping. And then when Bitcoin went from 73,000 all the way down to 61,000, altcoins were still pumping. Relatively, not all of them, but many were still pumping. And even in this area, altcoins were still pumping. But then as this went on and Bitcoin consolidated, then the altcoins started to sell off and they cooled off. And now as Bitcoin dips further, altcoins are going to continue to dip until Bitcoin turns around. And when Bitcoin finds a obvious bottom and then reverses and goes back past new highs, then your altcoins, your gaming coins, your H-bar, your Jasmy, your Crow coin, whatever it is, can then start coming back. And actually, Jasmy's holding on pretty strong still, which is very surprising. Been talking a little bit more about Jasmy. I kind of want to get some. We'll see. But yes, it's all about Bitcoin, my friends. Mr. Planet Profit says Alex Labs is going to go back to an all-time high. I hope so. We'll see. Luke understands. Legacy Legend says, thoughts on ADA overtaking Bitcoin, LOL, if that will ever happen. Legacy, man, I love you, but no, my friend. ADA will never take over Bitcoin, ever, period. Maybe one day a cryptocurrency will take over Bitcoin, but that is decades away, probably. And we will not be able to predict what token that is, I don't think. ADA is struggling. I know that people love Charles Hodgkinson. I think I said his name's right. But I don't know why people are so obsessed with ADA. Mr. Planet Profit says Pepe on Bitcoin. I had some of that. I actually don't right now. Good thing because it's getting wrecked. I've consolidated all my Stacks memes are just in Welsh. All I got is Welsh right now on Stacks memes. Oh, I got a little baby Welsh too, but I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about that at all. But anyway, I got some Welsh. This is getting crushed right now as well. Everything's getting crushed right now, though. I am bullish on Welsh, and I'm hopeful that this thing will go back to its new highs. The first dog meme token ever built on top of Bitcoin via the layer 2 solution. OG Jerry talking about Mary in the chat. Got a lot of Mary too. We'll see. That's a meme. Memes are tough right now, getting crushed. Thing about memes is when crypto bleeds, your memes will bleed 10 times harder than everything else. When Bitcoin or when crypto pumps, your memes could potentially pump harder than everything else as well. John 3:16 says, payday, buying crow. DCA. I get it. You're buying right now at a low. Mr. Planet Profit says they pushed dog to overrun Welsh, but the truth remains. Well, there are two different sides of that story, right? And I've got some dog as well because I got that runestone. So I kind of hedged my bet in case dog overruns Welsh, which I don't think it will because there's something about being first. Though dog is the first, I guess, inherently on the layer 1 side of Bitcoin, right? Because it's the runes protocol, which is technically L1. So that has that going for it, but whatever. Crypto Tip says, Lord help us all. Yeah, that'd be cool. Oh boy. Bitcoin's coming up a little bit. Bitcoin's crashing. Is it gonna go to zero today? Or Or is it gonna go to the moon and buy a yacht and I don't know, a baboon made out of gold? There you go. How's that song? Yeah, I just picked up a guitar, so there we go. Jonathan 16 says it's hot up in Canada. It is hot everywhere right now. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's crazy. It's crazy. I don't know why. I don't know. I got a guitar. Why not, right? I mean, we're just chilling, guys. What's going on? Chris Klein in the chat. It's been a while. You ever heard it, Dave Matty? Grave digger, and you dig my grave. Oh, that's not the chords. That's not the chords. Guys, I'm so rusty on my guitar right now. I've been focusing too much on crypto, I'll tell you. What else? Crypto Keeper says, "Hey Kip, thanks so much. Been wanting to be like, wait. So the banks are wanting to be like exchanges for crypto? Well, that's an interesting question. So, I mean, they want to custody crypto, they want to buy crypto, you know. You know. Oh, what kind of guitar is this? This is a Martin, oh boy. Oh, and I just broke it. I don't know. It's a Martin. She's a beaut. I love her. I spent a good penny on it. I'm touching grass, y'all. I'm touching grass. I like minor chords. Oh man, that'd be a good one. Yeah, my guitar's a little out of tune right now. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I don't know why I picked up the guitar. It just felt like one of those days. God's Country is a good one, huh? God's Country is a good one. Stairway to Heaven. Yeah, I can't really shred. I'm more of a singer than anything. Chris Klein says, so what is up with Cronos? It's going down. It's going down, but Bitcoin's coming down too. Altcoins are hurting versus Bitcoin, my friend. So no surprises there. Unfortunately, we did break below this line. Where's my next line? Oh gosh, it's at like 7.8 cents, guys. It's tough. These are the tough times, and the people that hang on through here and have the courage usually make the money, right? Maybe you sell out, maybe you do. That's up to you. But you're risking missing this parabolic bull market that we've been talking about. The reason we founded this channel, I mean, I'm holding on strong. And never sells a tough thing to say. He said, Chris Klein says, I'm holding, never sell. Look, at some point you sell, right? You take profit. Look, I paid for some cars. That was super cool. Selling's cool. What do you got there? Cronos is a slow move, but it's a move. Yeah, I mean, I think that Cronos is still going to have a lot of excitement ahead of it. So we'll see. Did I buy Daddy like Black Sea? I did not. I do see Andrew. I follow Andrew Tate. I look at what he's got going on, but I did not do it. Yeah, I did not buy Daddy. But man, I know a lot of people did, and I wonder how Daddy's doing. Actually, let's take a peek and see what's going on with Daddy Coin. I think it's this one. It's actually holding on surprisingly well. Decent move in the last hour. Probably a decent time to buy this dip, honestly. Thanks, John. Appreciate you. We're watching the daddy token. And I'm talking about the Andrew Tate one specifically. Let's see what else is going on. How's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin kind of looks like it wants to stop the bleeding here. Again, there are a massive amount of liquidations that could be had above 60K, or excuse me, above 70K. So I'm on the lookout to see some of those too. Jorge Amaya says this dip isn't as bad as November of 2022. It is not as bad as November of 22. I mean, November of 2022. Wait, what was November of 2022? Let's take a peek at that. Dude, you're talking about the bear market? Yeah, no, it's not as bad as the bear market, but there is a chance that it could get that bad. I mean, look, guys, I don't expect it to happen, but there is a chance that you get a big old, really painful dip in the middle of this thing, and then we like come back in the fall and winter, and then it goes into 2025 later than I originally expected. Anything could change. Look, the truth is if you have an opinion and you just stick to that opinion and you never change your mind, you're going to be in trouble in this life. You got to be able to pivot and take in new information and look at the facts and understand what's going on. And yes, there's institutions buying Bitcoin. And yes, there's a presidential debate coming up where they're probably going to talk about Bitcoin and crypto exactly as we predicted. But know that, things can change, guys. OG Jerry says, do I own any Bitcoin? Actually, OG Jerry, right now, I do not own any Bitcoin. Not right now. I took a lot more risk on plays this bull market. But I was accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum aggressively in the bear market. That was my strategy, was just to have Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then I was accumulating a couple other things, but really like that was my focus. So, I mean, I'm happy to answer any questions you guys have. I guess I'm just noodling on the guitar. It's been a while. I'm extremely rusty on the guitar. But whatever, markets are down. Today's a day to touch some grass, chill out, find your vibes, my friends. So that's what we're doing. Oh, Aiden, yeah, dude. I saw what happened with that Orbi token. Man, guys, Cronos had a real problem with that Orbi token. I have no idea what happened with that. I got to look into that. Shoot, I should have done that in my video. I got a Cronos video already recorded coming at you guys later tonight, just to give you more, ideas on what I think is going on with Cronos, my mindset. And Simon, I'll also talk about, yes, Cronos memes are taking a beating. That is how it's going. Sushi Satoshi in the chat. Sushi Satoshi, welcome. Good to see you, Sushi. John316 is asking, do I think Bitcoin will hit 1 million? If I had 1 million Bitcoin, yeah, that'd be cool. I think it could. What is that song? Dollars. You ever heard that song? If I had $1 million, if I had 1,000,000 Bitcoin, I'd be really rich and that'd be cool. And we'd still be doing videos because I'm just super passionate about it. Guys, let's say, you know, me and Black Sea hit it insanely big in crypto. I just want you guys to know we're not going to stop this channel no matter what. Whether we go down, whether we come up in a big way. It's just the point is to keep learning about this asset class, keep understanding this developing technology, and knowing that there's always more opportunities to make money in crypto. Even in bear markets, there's incredible opportunities to earn Bitcoin. So Aiden says, apparently someone found a contract glitch and abused the contract to give themselves 85% of the supply, and then it was drain the liquidity. The wall was attached to an account called CrowScribe. Ooh, that's tough. That's tough. Oh, Johnny Cash. I got a little bit of Johnny Cash. Love is a burning thing, and it makes my heart ring. I don't know. I don't know how to. What memes you buying? I'm not buying memes right now. I do have Welsh though. I'm holding strong. Ooh, Hurt is such a good one. Hurt is such a good one. How does it go? Today Hurt, yeah. Hurt Johnny Cash. That is a good song. Yeah, I forget how it goes though. My sweetest friend, everyone I know. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. It's been a long time. Man, guys, I'm just, if you can't tell, low key. We're just relaxing, chilling out. I know. My sweetest friend, everyone I know goes away in the end. And you have it all. My empire of dirt, and I will let you down, and I will make you hurt. Something like that, right? It's a good song. It's a good song. Who got me into crypto? Who orange pilled me? Good question. One of my very best friends. I don't want to name his name. Don't want to dox him, even though I wouldn't tell you his last name. But anyway, this is my roommate. It was a guy I lived with when I was in college, and it all started with some joke coins. Pot coin, Putin coin, Trump coin, like just the most ridiculous things. I mean, in Bitcoin, I was buying Bitcoin in 2016. And then it's crazy. Yeah, it is a classic song, Rashid, and it is about his drug use. It's crazy. It's very sad. No, see, I can't remember how it goes. Yeah, I don't know how the verses goes. I kind of remember the chorus, but OG Jerry says there's rumors about Trump starting a meme coin. Wow. That would be huge. Aiden says he got orange pilled by buying BTC to gamble in an offshore casino. Finally, or forgot my coins in a Coinbase wallet and realized I turned $300 to $1,000. That is awesome. Taking requests. Yeah, oh boy. Oh boy. That's funny. It's tough. On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up to the air. There you go. Little taste, little taste. This is not a music channel, so we're just having fun. Bit late to the combo, but should I be worried about a drop in the crow price? Well, I mean, crow is dropping. There's no doubt about it, brother. But I mean, the deal is, buy or sell. I mean, it is, guys, we are talking about a capitulation event, and these price levels for Bitcoin are scary. We've been stuck in this range for so darn long. It's just been stuck. It's been 100. Let me change it because we did the numbers before. It's literally been 104 days. Old man is like, what did I just walk in on? Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. Yeah. You walked in on a karaoke. I don't know. I have a guitar. It's sitting there. I never play it. I why not? I don't know. There's nothing going on with the markets right now. Our coins are going down. So, it's funny. Aiden, the truth is, I used to be in Broadway. I used to be in a band. I was in barbershop quartets. I was in choirs. Aiden says, I threw $100 into Croaky and made a bag trading it. Thanks for the shill. Okay. Well, shilling wasn't quite what I was doing, but hey, I'm glad you made some money on it. And it's tough times right now. Tough times right now. But it's where we're at. Yeah, I know. Oh, you're good, Aiden. You're good, Aiden. We're chilling out. What else is going on, friends? I don't even know how the sound is going to be on this. It's probably terrible sound. So, is this weird? Is this weird to have a guitar? Is this weird to sing? Rashid is asking, is Crowcoin a scam with the devs selling their bags? Hope not. Kind of worried. Crowcoin, the devs of Crowcoin selling? I don't think the devs of Crowcoin are selling. The Orbi thing's a problem, but I mean, that's just Orbi. Crowcoin's, Crypto.com is one of the most regulated exchanges in the world. So no, Rashid, Crowcoin's not a scam. Maybe it's not performing how you want, but no, Crowcoin is not a scam, my friend. It's not a scam. Crypto Chronos Bull says, I can understand if you didn't, but Did you ever ask George about Crow when you met him? Crypto Chronos Bull, you've been paying attention. I did meet George from Cryptos R Us. A very short conversation with him, and he was super nice. But no, I did not ask him about Crow because I didn't want him to hate me. He hates Crow. I don't know why. He hates Crow, and I didn't want him to like get upset with me. I asked him about his fight league. I thanked him for his consistency in his videos. Aiden's girlfriend was laughing at me when I first picked up guitar, and I'm actually pretty good. Hey, I'll appreciate it. Thanks. Nicholas wants to know if I'm going to pack a Casper bag for the bull run. I don't know. We'll see. I am looking at Casper. I'm thinking about it. You can tell your girlfriend. Thank you, Aiden. I hope I'm pretty good. I was a singer professionally for a while, and I don't know. I don't think I have a great voice. I just think that my voice is. I know how I got pitch. I can hit the pitches. I can hit the tones. Serge says George isn't a fan of exchange coins. Yeah, I don't think George is a fan of exchange coins, and that's okay. I mean, I get it. It's more complicated. It's more difficult. It is more difficult. Crypto Keeper says, for the first time in a long time, I'm glad I have a bag of XRP. Is that because it's just like doing nothing and it's kind of acting like a stable coin right now? Is that what's going on? Oh, now it's coming back to me. Trying to think of Hurt still. It's in my head. I love that song. Aiden says, Mitch Kess on the live streams. I've been so busy at work, picked up a few of my own clients. Nice. Been taking on my own customers as I realized I'm a lot more skilled than just another word. Hey, good, man. Good for you. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. Chris Glenn says, George is all about Jupiter. George likes Solana. He likes Avalanche too. Justin Lowe says, do I think Stuck will survive? I love the meme. I don't have the coin right now. I could not handle the potential downside on that. You win some, you lose some. And I took a loss on Stuck, unfortunately. But do I think it could survive? I hope so. I think it could have redemption. I think the whole Cronos meme coin ecosystem could have redemption. When I say the whole Cronos meme coin ecosystem, I mean like some of the good ones. But the Cronos meme coin ecosystem's having a tough time right now because the entire market's down. Cronos isn't that exciting to the broader market yet, but hopefully it is going to be in the future. We'll see. Serge says, I just hope there's a narrative this cycle for centralized exchanges across needs that. Yeah, and I think they will. John316 says, I asked AJ today on his live stream. He said he can't comment on Crow due to Femex sponsor. What? AJ writes crypto, says he couldn't comment on it because of his Femex sponsor? Really? I mean, what kind of sponsorship does he have? Weird. I don't want to be filtered. I don't want to be censored by my partners. That's lame. That's lame. That's super lame. That's a shame. Wow. Yeah, I don't like that. Everything that I say is just from my heart or my brain. So that's what you got. That's what you're going to get. Welcome to the Hotel California. Hey. That's a high song. That was a hard request. I don't like singing that song. Can't do it. Let's see what else is going on. Yeah, no. So I met Crypto Chronos Bull asked me about George. Yeah, I did meet George. He was cool to me, but no, I did not ask him about Crow. And I don't know. I mean, I think that maybe there's a lot of people out there, just kind of like AJ Writes Crypto, that like don't talk about Crow because I don't know. I think they've got some other partnerships or something. I'm not sure. Juhun M asks me, Crow still 2 to 5? Yeah, I mean, I think so. I mean, I nothing's changed for me there. Justin Lowe asked me, when do I intend to re-enter the Cronos memes? Well, right now, I've still got a lot of Mary tokens, and I hope that hangs on. I'm going to continue to hold it, I think, just going to hold it. But I'm going to re-enter them when they come back to life. I'm not going to buy them at the highs, but I can kind of sense when there's a redemption, and there's just not a redemption right now. And that could happen at any time, but it's not going to happen until Bitcoin turns around, my friends. You know, Bitcoin's got to turn around. Aiden's asking, how's the Crow versus BTC chart looking? Aiden, you tell me, brother. You tell me. I'll give a look to it right now. How is it looking to you? How's it looking to you? Because to me, actually, breaking news right now. Woo! It is close. It is close to that all-time low. I'm just going to drag this thing down to where it's supposed to be, which is at the very low. If this red line comes down below, then you are literally at an all-time low for Crow versus Bitcoin, which ain't super tasty, unfortunately. Which is why we like to diversify, my friends. I'm in memes right now that are bleeding worse than Crow. But Crow is hurting. OG Jerry wants to know what I'm having for dinner. I don't know yet. I got to figure that out. I should probably go and figure that out. But I'm living it up at the Hotel California. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, Aiden, so it looks like you want to buy. I mean, like, historically, I think this is low for Crow versus Bitcoin. Historically, I think it gets a bounce off this level. It should get a bounce off this level. I would hope so. If this thing goes all the way from the bottom to the top, it's 1,100% gains. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. Justin Lowe says, who's the riskier one, me or Black Sea? Me. Probably me. Oh, you got Black Sea in the chat, I think. Bitcoin and the ETH spot ETF will decide where Crow goes. Thoughts? I agree. I don't know if you're asking me, Black Sea, but that's Black Sea in the chat for you. Look, I think that Ethereum ETF is the thing that might bring us out of this range. And if, it's the same game, right? I mean, me and Black Sea, I think we're on the same page where like Bitcoin's got to do the thing and then the altcoins can do the thing. And as Bitcoin was consolidating here, altcoins are bullish, but as Bitcoin goes on for this longer time, we're stuck. We're stuck. Question for the rest of you guys. Black Sea, they asked me who's the riskier one. I think I'll take the cake on that one. Let me know what your thoughts are. I got a lot of memes right now, my friends. I got a lot of memes right now. Yeah, he says Kip. Yeah. Aiden says, I staked 11. What did I do? I had 0.11 staked ETH I had for collateral and on Orbi. Took all my collateral out in USC. You think it'll be wise to swap ETH for Crow? It's up to you. I mean, look, ETH is going to be cool and Crow is going to be cool at some point, but right now nothing's very cool at all. Blaza Music, good to see you. Desmond asks thoughts on. I don't like that token. No comment. I don't like that token. I don't like the name of it. OG Jerry says, Daddy going to 1 billion, Black Sea. Oh, Yeah, people are watching you, Black Sea, on that daddy play. Interesting. I think we need another video. Black Sea, are you available? You want to hop in the stream? You want to try clicking that link? Hashtag Black Sea has gorgeous hair. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. That's awesome. All right. He can't hop in. He can't hop in. No worries. We did the news. We did some little diddlies just to mess around. We're hanging out. News is dead today. Not a lot of crazy news. Charts are killing it in a bad way. But you know what, guys? Buy or sell. I say buy. It's not financial advice. We've talked about it. I mean, guys, check it out. If you haven't done it already, we got 113 viewers. If you guys haven't checked it out already, check it out. We got a affiliate link for you guys for Blowfin. There's free $30 for the futures trading wallet for you guys. If you sign up and you deposit a little bit of money, you get free $30 to leverage trade with. If you want to check it out, that ends today, probably soon. So take advantage. I think we've got 120 signups or so, only like 80 signups left. But I do think it's a good range to be trading in right now for Bitcoin. So, I mean, low fees. I like it. Check it out if you haven't done so already. OG Jerry says, when it comes to Andrew Tate, he wants to be number one on everything. So I see it happening. Yeah, I mean, I hear what you're saying. Blazer wants me to check out the daddy chart. I have the daddy chart pulled up, I think, over here. Oh, do I? Boom. Daddy chart. Currently at $105 million market cap. Dude burned $150 million. Osiris says, I'm still bullish on stock. Well, I like the meme, but I don't hold the token anymore because I'm nervous that if we're in this consolidation period, that memes are hurting. So right now I don't personally hold it, but you never know. It's hard to say. I think it's funny. I think the team is working hard, but you can't. Look, the Cronos memes are hurting right now. That's all I have to say about it. I mean, that doesn't mean that you panic sell out. It's just I had a big bag of it and I couldn't really hold on. I took a loss. I didn't even get profit on that one in particular. Still net positive on my Cronos memes, but it just goes to show you, right? You can't win them all and you can't lose them all if you take profit. But you could lose them all, but you certainly can't win them all. Nobody wins 100% of the time. You just got to win more than you lose. And then you can make some good money and pay off some cars and things like that. So I was able to do that with Crow with Knife, made some money on some of the other memes. Got hurt in some others like Stuck. Got hurt in Mary even, but I'm holding my Mary. We'll just see what happens. I don't know. Couple coins are up today. Toncoin still holding strong. Rank number 9. Man, this coin came out of nowhere. Unbelievable. Unbelievable is how this coin just came out of nowhere. OG Jerry says, boring day in crypto, but chatting is always nice. I agree, man. Chatting is pretty cool, my friend. Yeah. It's pretty cool. I'm going to put the guitar away now. That was fun. All right, guys. We've been live for an hour and 3 minutes. It was casual. There was a little guitar action. I guess I took some requests. Just a little bit of fun. I'm going to go figure out what to eat for dinner, my friends. But moral of the day is you see what's happening with crypto. Presidential candidates, institutions. Guys, crypto is here to stay. What comes next? A bull market. I mean, and the parabolic blow off top on the overall market cap. I still believe that it's inevitable. In the meantime, pick up a guitar, mess around, have some fun, go golfing, get together with your friends, your family, enjoy life, work hard, make money, DCA, HODL, as always. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm going to figure out what to eat for dinner. I'll see you in the next one. Check out the links down below. Also, if you want to become a member on our channel on YouTube, you get access to our private Discord where you hear a little bit more in depth about our actual plays, what we're doing moment to moment. So check it out, guys. That's all I got. Black Sea in the chat. Crypto Kip here. We'll see you next time, y'all. Smash a like, subscribe. You know the drill, folks. See you next time. Peace.